Hi guys, welcome back to the channel. If you are new, please consider subscribing so that you get notified of future videos. If you're a regular, welcome back. Like this video, leave a comment in the comment section. If you are looking for forex robots, indicators and stuff like that, there are two links in the description box below. Visit the blogs and see if you cannot find what you're looking for. Then you can always come back and leave a comment with a request if you cannot find what you're looking for. People tend to ask for stuff that's already on the blogs. Don't be that person. Okay, so if you can hear, I'm actually on the road. Basically been up and down, traveling a lot this December. One of the goals that I set myself for 2020 was to travel as much. That was before the pandemic hit, but anyway, so just using the last few days of the year just to explore and travel and things like that. So I hope you are having a fantastic December as well. So somebody pointed me to this post by Mr. GBP JPY. Crazy trading there, and they asked me if it's even possible. Is it fake? Is it real? And stuff like that. So this is just a response. I don't know Mr. GBP JPY personally on a individual basis. I started following him, I think, in 2019. I think beginning of 2019. That's when I first got to know of him, and I started following him on Instagram. I must say that this is not an unusual post from him. So yes, always been posting similar stuff. So there's no reason for me to start questioning this particular post. If you can see, he has actually turned $10. He has basically turned 10 US dollars into $2,000. Is it real or is it fake? I know some people will say you should have shown whether it's a demo or whether it's a real account. My thinking concerning that, I've always told people that whether it's a demo or whether it's a real account, for me, it doesn't make a difference, because if a person can prove themselves in the demo account, then certainly there's a chance that they can prove themselves with a real account. I think that's what the demo account is for anyway. So it doesn't really matter whether this is a demo account or a real account. What we have so far is just a photo. There's no video around this. And you can basically see some of the trades that he has taken. He was basically trading volatility 100. He's trading indices. If you have been trading indices, then you know that those things move. Those things move. And if you happen to be on the right side of the trend, of the right side of the market, you can certainly ride a wave and milk those indices. It's volatilities, it's your US 30, your Nasdaq 100, I think step index and boom and crash and stuff like that. Obviously, if you manage to find yourself on the wrong side of the market, you can quickly lose money. So is it possible that he can turn $10 into $2,000? You can see there he's holding 1,995 because he's got some margin of $9, I think, also in play there, and his margin level percent is over 20,000. My assumption, like I said, I don't have the inside knowledge of this account. My assumption is he has basically maxed out the leverage on this account. That's what you do when you're trying to flip small accounts. You basically find a good strategy, and you probably want to maximize on leverage, considering also that if things don't go your way, the leverage will kill you. But if you're confident of your strategy and you know what you're doing, you can easily flip these accounts. Um, the screenshot that is posted, it doesn't really show how many days he has held these trades. That's the other thing. So it's possible that he turned this $10 into $2,000 maybe over the course of a few days, maybe over a day, but I'm assuming it's over a few days because some of those trades you can see the profit levels are different. So what he was doing was he opened a few trades. When those few trades got into profit, then he continued staking up that on those trades with new trades. So if he was buying in this case, he probably bought at the bottom, and then he waited for a retest and bought again, waited for another retest and he bought again, waited another retest and he bought again, and he went up with the trend, and he probably did not close the initial trades. The problem with people usually is they are buying and closing trades, or selling, closing trades there and there once they see a little profit, and they never fully realize the whole potential of that trade. So here is basically opened trades and has rode a wave. That's my assumption. So it's possible that with maximum leverage, with a good strategy, and patience and discipline. Because if it was me, probably I was going to have closed the trades at $500 or $1,000. I'll be fine. But yes, the patience and the discipline to trust his strategy to fully realize the potential of the trades. So yeah, I don't have the insides of this account, but definitely possible. I've seen people do things like this: $20 to $1,000, $50 to 10,000, or they claim. But I've seen people do this all the while. Concerning Mr. GBP JPY, I said I'm not really surprised because ever since I started following him, he has posted similar trades. So there's no reason for me to doubt this one. If it's a demo, if it's a real account, for me, it doesn't matter. For me, what matters is he has probably has a strategy that works for him. And also, facts being facts, that he has posted it on Instagram. Definitely, there are two things: he's showing you what he's capable of, and definitely it's also marketing for him, for his signal services and stuff like that, so that you must also take into consideration. So I hope this answers you. It's doable with the right strategy, right discipline, and yeah, knowing what you are doing, and with the right pairs. I promise you the indices. If you want to make quick money, trade indices. But know that if you are wrong, those things can hurt your account. So like this video, subscribe if you're not yet subscribed. Until next time, leave a comment in the comment section below of what you think, whether it's possible to do this or you think it's fake and it's not possible. Until next time, bye.